Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to summon Eater of Words in Terraria. So there are two methods. First method is just craft his summon item, and to craft it you need 30 wild powder that you can craft by collecting mushrooms from that biome, corruption biome, and from killing this Eater of Souls mob that I just killed. You get rotten chunks that is also needed in this crafting. And to craft it, you just simply going down to one of these holes, and in that crimson corruption altar you will have that crafting, and your summon item is crafted. And the other method is just breaking these orbs. You need to break 3 orbs for him to spawn. And if I broke another one, he would spawn. So I won't be doing that. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you want, like and subscribe.